friends, today's video is a quick crochet project. It is this kitchen towel holder, and these work up really fast. For this project we need cotton yarn, and I found this yarn at Walmart, and a size 4mm hook. And then you'll also need things like a yarn needle to sew in your ends, scissors, and a button of your choice. To start, we are going to chain 20, and then we're going to join with a slip stitch to form a ring. I do suggest, especially if you're using this towel holder in the kitchen, like on the handle of your oven, somewhere where it's going to get dirty and need to be washed quite often, I do suggest to use cotton yarn. It tends to hold up better to the repeated washings. Once we have our ring, we are going to chain 2, and we are going to put 45 double crochets into the ring. I know that seems like a lot, and you may have to scooch your double crochets closer together, but they should move freely. We are going into the ring and not into the individual chains, so you should be able to move them and scooch them closer together and make room. Once we have all 45 double crochets, we are going to slip stitch to the top of the chain 2 that we started with. And next we are going to chain 2. I'm going to put a double crochet in each of the next 10 stitches. Now this part you can customize if you would like your holder to be a little bit more narrow. I have made another one that I did make narrow, and I will show it to you at the end. The yarn has stretched out more over the years, so I'm going to make this one a little bit wider, and hopefully it'll be more sturdy. So I'm going to do my chain 2 and then my 10 double crochets. We want to chain 2, and we are going to turn our work and do 10 half double crochets. A half double crochet, if you are not familiar with it, is very simple. You yarn over like a double crochet, you go into the stitch and pull up a loop, and you're going to yarn over and pull through all 3 loops on your hook, and that's a half double crochet. And then this row is what we are going to repeat until the towel holder is the length that we need it to be. I believe I did a total of 19 rows of the half double crochet. I'll be using my towel holder on my dishwasher, so I did test it and make sure that it would be long enough to wrap around the handle. You might want to test yours. You might not need as many rows, you might need a few more, but like I said, it's really simple to customize. So we're going to chain 2 and then do 10 half double crochets across, and then chain 2 and turn and do 10 half double crochets. Towel holder is the correct length, for the last row we are going to make a buttonhole to go around the button, and to do that I'm going to do a single crochet in the first 3 stitches, then I'm going to chain 6, and I'm going to skip over the middle stitches and put a single crochet in the last 3 stitches. And then from here we can fasten off and cut our yarn and sew in our ends. And next we want to put on our button, and we just want to pick a button that matches our yarn or that we like. It doesn't have to match. If the holes on your button are large enough, you can use your yarn needle and the same cotton thread that we crocheted with to sew it on, which is what I'll be doing. If the buttonholes are more narrow, you may need to use a regular needle and thread to sew on your button. But you just want to kind of position it right in the center and then sew it on, and we're going to sew in the ends of our yarn. Our finished project. I will show you the one that I made. I made this one, it's going on 10 years ago, and it has hung in our kitchen every single day since. And you can see how it's stretched out quite a lot, but for as long as we have used it, I think it's held up really well. I'm hoping by making this one, the new one, a little more wider, it'll hold up a little bit better. wrap it around and fasten it with the button on whatever kitchen appliance handle you want to use it on. And whenever you need to wash it, I just take it off and put it right in the washer with a load of laundry, and you can let it air dry. Or I have put this one in the dryer many times by accident, and it's held up fine. Thank you all so much for watching. I appreciate each and every one of you. I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day, and I will see you all next time.